Welcome to another video. So as I promised, I have this VIOFO motorcycle dashcam camera. I just received it yesterday. So we are going to unbox this today for you guys. After so much research, actually there's no many options in India. This is the only one I found, and there is a Vijay Cells. They are the authorized dealer of this one in Vadodara. So nice service. I mean, at least I received in 2 days after payment. So चलो unbox करते और देखते हैं. Yeah, so nice box. Okay. Okay, looks like this is a device main unit, and those are the cable connecting to your rear front camera and RC, power and GPS. Very nice connectors. ओके, तो इसको साइड में रखेंगे. ओके, दिस इज रिमोट कंट्रोल. So this is a remote control to turn on the Wi-Fi to connect, so you can connect to your phone. This button here, the red one, is to start recording. Also you have options. I think you can connect to your battery, so whenever your motorcycle is on, it automatically starts recording the video. Okay, so this is the remote control. This is one of the camera. Not sure whether it's front or back. So pretty good quality it seems. And this is water resistant, I think. Yeah. Okay, so this is one of the camera. Okay, we have GPS device here, so you can track your motorcycle. Also you can track the speed and on the map and your locations. So that's GPS device. This is I think battery connector with the fuse. Yeah, so these are the battery connectors. This is another camera. I'm not sure if you can identify whether it's front or rear. Both looks identical. Yeah, but nice quality. This is like metal. So okay, wow, nice. This is card reader, so you can put your micro SD card here and you can put it in the computer to download the files from the device. These are some velcro, I think, to install the device, and some 3M tape. Okay, they also provided 32 GB VIOFO card for your dashcam. And these are some tools and I think clamps for the camera. So I think they have two clamps here. One is metal and one is plastic. So this one is metal, and some of them are plastic. Yeah. Okay, it also has the tab. So if you want to don't want to screw up and don't want to use the screw and just stick it to the body of the motorcycle, that's something you can also do. These are some tires, zip tie. These are some tires to install it properly, to manage your wires, cabling. Okay, this is I was talking about. So this is the plastic one, and it also has this glue so you can stick to your motorcycle, and this is a plastic clamp. So I think that's it pretty much. Okay, there are some user manual on installation and how to use it. And of course I think it comes with 1 year warranty, 12 months warranty, lifetime technical support. Yeah, so I will definitely put the website address in my video description, so if you want to buy it. Currently I think it was only 1 unit, so as soon as I purchase this one, it's out of stock. And I think this was also available in Amazon and their VIOFO.in website, but there are a couple of benefits to buy from their authorized website, which they have clearly mentioned there. Yeah, so you can definitely check that out. And I think this is the only one good DashCam I found for the motorcycle. I'm in India. I don't see any other motorcycle DashCam available currently. Yeah, so I definitely need to install this one and the weekend, and yeah, I'll definitely put the installation video too, and then I will take one test ride, and I'll show you like front and back camera result too for the day and night. Hey guys, I want to introduce someone. This is my cameraman. He's my son Neil. So he wants to say something to you guys.
Please like and subscribe, and we will make a video on the installation of the dash cams, and I will be the cameraman, and don't miss out that video.